Right. Let's begin. First, the intro, right? We fix this. Alright, I know you have watched a few videos, you have come close to success more than once. But you are still not there. How do I know? Because you click on this video. But don't get me wrong, this course isn't for losers. It is for the ones who didn't quit. Let me tell you something. If you spend enough time on the right thing, the results will be better than you ever imagined. What matters most? How you spend your time and your energy. I put everything in this course. Every second, every detail. Because I believe it. I have seen people with way less potential than you made it and succeeded. And now you have the chance to watch this entire bootcamp for free. You might be wondering, why would you do that, Borsa? Because when I was failing, I give myself a promise. If I ever become a good trader, I would teach everything for free, no matter what. Why? Because I have seen too many people give up. Not because they were bad traders, but because they followed a bad sources. In this bootcamp, you will learn everything you need to know about trading from zero to hero. Yes, even if you have no idea how to buy and sell, you will learn that also. Before we start, I want to give you a couple of tips and tricks. First, trading is a lonely game. I encourage you to join my free Discord. Second, if you didn't understand something, watch it again. Third, if you didn't understand again, do not hesitate to ask in comment section or in Discord. So, shall we begin, ladies and gentlemen?